I'm walking 12 hours today. I'm feeling pretty excited. 11 hours to go. The sun is fully up now. And this really made my day. I walked all the way to the Sawgrass Expressway. I walked all the way to Cool Spring. I just saw my niece, Rhea. I'm just past halfway, almost 7 hours. My feet hurt a lot. I'm okay. I've walked 14 miles. About 10 minutes. Less than an hour left. I'm finishing the last 15 minutes. So overall, definitely enjoyed the 12-hour walk. Enjoyed plugging out. My phone was on airplane mode. And I did also, check in every now and then. This was really just a spiritual walk, time with God, time with my own thoughts and myself. So yeah,